from girls who try and save money, literally borrowing those dresses, I think we can call them money savvy for sure. With Nedbank, well, we're making things easier and we're literally learning how to take good care of our money.
Sometimes the most exhausting tasks can be made simpler and seamless just by adding a little bit of care and a great idea.
Nedbank has been on a 9-year journey to simplify its products and pricing structure to ensure simplicity, transparency and affordability.
Anton, Derek, it's so lovely to be having coffee with you on a beautiful morning. You know, this must be what the Savvy Life is all about, but how can I make sure I'm always living the Savvy Life?
Savvy is all about what we do with our money, and the Savvy Life is about how we can make really savvy choices so that we can be more savvy with our money, better financially secure.
Okay, I would definitely like to simplify my life, but when it comes to banking, there is just so much to remember now. There's so many different kinds of accounts, there's so many different packages for different people. Let's start at the very beginning. If I want to switch bank accounts or open a new bank account, what should I be considering?
So the main thing from a savvy point of view with Nedbank is that we've got the right account to meet your needs. That's the first thing to know. And then the next piece is to make sure that we match the account that you're looking for to those needs. So for example, if you're starting out and if you've perhaps got a smaller salary with lesser transactions, fewer transactions going through that account, you'd want to choose an account that you only pay for what you use. Just limit the number of transactions, a little bit like your cell phone options. If you're on the other end and you're beginning to earn a little bit more, you want to make sure that the more transactions you're doing, you're not just paying for every single transaction, but you perhaps have got the ability to be able to pay a set bundled price.
Anton, you make it sound really easy, and to be very honest, I'm actually quite convinced. Derek, how simple is it really to make the switch?
If you're coming in for your basic transactional account, all you need is your green barcoded ID. If you're looking for something more, such as our Savvy Bundle or our Savvy Plus, you need to think about your salary switch, your hassle-free, and the credit options you might like to have, whether it be an overdraft or a credit card. In that case, we require a little bit more documentation, so you'd need your ID, proof of residence, and some proof of income. And at that point, we have a hassle-free process by which we will move your salary for you, as well as all your debit orders, and have you up and running with your Savvy lifestyle in no time.
When you've changed your account, we would actually take care of switching those debit orders for you, so it runs off your new account. But we've got something even better that is really, really savvy, and only Nedbank offers this. Where we've got a no funds alert would mean that we would be able to give you an advance notice where we can see and we know that a debit order is about to come through, but where your account hasn't got enough money in it. Now, if that debit order hits your account at that stage, you're going to have that debit order bounce potentially. You're going to incur unnecessary fees. That's not savvy. So what we will do for you is we will actually give you the notice, tell you that this in advance, that this debit order is about to hit through, you haven't got enough money in your account. You will then have the ability and the time to actually put money in your account while we delay that debit order. So you won't have that unnecessary, embarrassing stage of having a debit order rejected and incurring those unnecessary fees.
It can be embarrassing, and that is not savvy. So how long does this process to switch take?
So the process of signing you up, we'll take care of and manage the time with you in store as quickly as we can, getting through all the documentation and the process. Once we're actually got you signed up, it's as quickly as being able to actually just get this through. So within a month, you should be up and running with everything sorted. Your salary switched and all your debit orders sorted.
Anton, I really like the sound of that, but so much must have gone into making banking so simple for me.
We've put a lot of hard work into taking the complexity out of our clients' lives and really making it simple and easy for you. We've done things like introducing multiple channels. If you want to go online being a savvy person like you are, you can answer a couple of easy questions and we'll take the process from there. If you want to give us a call to our call center when you're in the car on the way to a busy meeting, we'll deal it through that channel. If you want to come into one of our branches of the future and have a great conversation with our very knowledgeable staff, that option is also there.
In a nutshell, to live the life you want, you need to be more savvy with your money. Nedbank has a wide range of great value banking solutions that will assist you to build financial fitness. Now that's savvy.
Be more savvy. Get an emergency backup card with your American Express Global Travel Card. Make savvy travel happen. Visit any Nedbank Forex outlet today.